Welcome back to Anna's Cooking World. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will be cooking tender and flavorful beef liver. The ingredients are 2 pounds beef liver, red and green bell peppers, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, thyme, garlic, scallion, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, all purpose seasoning, browning caramel, ketchup, and salt. So let's get started, guys. So now I will use a knife to peel away the skin and then cut into small pieces. There's not much skin on these, guys. Let me see. This is it, guys. Now I will give it a rinse. Adding to my pan is some lemon juice. You can also use vinegar or limes. Add into the liver a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon all purpose seasoning, and a 1/4 teaspoon browning caramel. Now I will combine. So the liver easily absorbs the seasoning, guys, so we don't have to set it aside. So let's go over to the stove, guys. I already added to the pan, guys, is 3 tablespoons of oil. Turn it to high. Now I will add the liver to the pan. add some hot water to the pan. Pour over meat and cover for 2 minutes. I will now add the veggies. Garlic, rest of the veggie, guys. Cover and continue to cook. I will now add 2 tablespoons ketchup. So beautiful, guys. The color is coming up together. Let's taste. Perfect, guys. Just the right amount of seasonings. Beautiful. Look at that color, guys. Let's cook for 5 more minutes. Wow, guys, look at this color. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, guys. So now I will turn the heat to low for another 2 minutes. Beautiful. So now I will turn off the heat. And there we go, guys. Healthy, rich, and beautiful, guys. Healthy, rich, and beautiful. So here we go, guys. Tender, flavorful beef liver. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please let me know by leaving me a comment, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye guys, see you in the next video.